Before I start this video, guys, please subscribe my channel, turn on notification, like the video, and comment down below so I can comment you guys back. You guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And today I know it's a bit blue because my screen protector will always turn blue. I don't know why, but it's okay. It looks nice though, right, guys? Okay, guys. Today I'm pranking Nashua. I want to act like I want to sneeze to Nashua. So I like, I'm like, achoo, I like that. Achoo. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay, ready, guys. Nashua, hi, hello. May I sneeze at you?
No, you are very noisy.
Did I get to sneeze? Ade, you want me to sneeze on you or not? Say yes. If not, I will. If you say no, I'm gonna sneeze. If you say yes, I'm not gonna sneeze.
Yes.
Miss, I'm gonna sneeze still. Sorry.
What?
Achoo. Yeah, you got pranked, you know.
Daddy, ini
Didn't you know that? We are watching Azza Iza. Oh!
Jagi hospital.
Tutu.
Agak diurusakan.
Got prank. Nah, take the ball for present, okay? Do you know that you just show? You know that you just show it outside?
Good.
Okay. Thanks for watching this video. I mean, that's not a bad prank, but still pretty good. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. If you did, like the button, subscribe, and have a guys. Bye.